We're going to the storage unit right now to go get my cousin's tires and wheels, and then from there we're gonna go get them installed, try to find a place to get them to install them. A lot of people say they don't want to because they're not DOT approved, but I mean, I'm pretty sure we can find somewhere that'll do it. But yeah, let's get this day started. So here are the slicks that are gonna go on to this car. This car right here, it's cam, headers, quarter intake. You saw the slicks, they were back there. These are the wheels that go on it. They're 17 by 10s. And yeah, let's go see if we can get the put on. Alright guys, so we just got the wheels mounted and balanced. Only reason they're not on the car yet, well, I mean, it's not my car, but no, other than that, we still need to get some lug nuts for it. The stock lug nuts that are on these, or the OEM ones, they're too big, so we need to get some skinnier ones. But you know what, I'll probably go get some of those right now. Right now we're currently picking up my brother's Camaro. He wants to do some exhaust work done to it. He wants to take his car to the track too, which let me show you guys.
Can you check out my brake lights work?
They don't blink, but they, yeah. So we pull the Camaro to the side of the street because something broke, whether it be the drive shaft, my bad, whether it be the drive shaft or the transmission. We don't know what messed up. We're waiting for the tow truck to come up. But let's look what we have here in the back. We have some slicks with some 4-stars, and we're actually very new to slicks. We didn't know what PSI to leave it at, so right now, I mean, it's at 20 PSI. We'll see if it has to go any lower than that, but yeah. What's up, man? How you feel?
It is what it is. It's a project car.
I guess we're not taking it to the track, right?
Probably not.
Well, this car is not going to be making it to the track, though we still have a couple more cars that are going to be going. For example, Junior's 2017 Chevy SS, cam, headers, quarter intake, and as you guys can see, we got the slicks on the wheels. Then we have my 2014 Camaro SS. I still need to fix a little bit of things on that car. What else? We have my friend Andres cam 6th gen is gonna be running, and you know, you never know who else might want to show up. So Junior is actually at work right now, and I kind of want to surprise him when he gets back, so I am on my way to the storage unit to go pick up the jack, the impact, and so we can put the wheels on for him. Oh, and I am back in town. I'm back in Midland, Texas. Oh man, and the car is dirty. Like, man, I went through some hell. Things I need to fix. The driver's side headlight is out. I need to get that fixed. I don't know, I always hear like a little flapping noise around here towards the front bumper. I'm gonna have to see what it is, but we'll do that tomorrow. We still got 2 days left. 2 days left until the track. So I actually ran into some trouble today. The impact was actually at my friend's house, and he lives all the way across town. So by the time I want to go pick it up, Junior was already back home. But he actually want to go get the keys. I don't know how he forgot the keys. And then, well, it actually just rained now, but the skies are looking like they're gonna start clearing up for a little bit at least. Well, look, sir. There he is. He's all excited.
No, you.
No, you. How do you feel?
Tired.
Tired?
Work.
Bro, you know damn well you ain't working.
You know, some of us,
Some of us what?
work. Like I said, I work today.
He knows damn well it's slow at work.
Not today. Today was pretty busy. You know how
Oh, you gotta like hold the back. You gotta like hold it. Well, we try to get this key fob situation figured out. What's going on there? Okay, we'll be back in a bit. We're gonna put these on real quick. Okay, so we have the left one on, and the fitment looks good actually. Got plenty of space. Got some space here too. 10 out of 10 will recommend.
That's alright.
So how are you gonna get rid of the sticker that's on the tire?
you already know.
How you gonna do it?
Burn out.
Burn out? Alright. We you know, it rained a little, so can help him out a little bit.
You gotta live like I did with the Camaro. What did I say? I said, it happens. It's part of life. Was I upset? Yeah. Are you gonna cry over it? Oh, because I got that mechanic warranty.
Whose man's?
It hasn't been 90 days, not even 10 miles on that.
Yeah, it's been 10 miles.
You gave me 1,000 miles.
I'll give you that. 10 feet.
Well, Junior said he was gonna do a burnout. Let's see how that burnout ends up. That's alright. I think you would have grabbed second gear and would have made a little bit more smoke, but that sounded pretty nice. This man really don't care. The streets are wet right now. But I mean, man, beautiful car.
That's scary.
Now you know the roadway.
That was scary. First it was just fine, but when I said that second,
Yeah, I saw the rear end. I was like, I nearly had a heart attack. That's because it's not my car.